Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take off these side panels, this one and that one, and we're going to drill out the rivets that are holding the panels in place, and we're going to put the sound deadening pieces that we have onto the side of the van, and then we're going to put the recycled plastic bottle insulation into the gaps, and then we're going to cover it with the foil bubble wrap. And we're then going to put the panels back on, and we're going to sand the panels down and paint them, which we're going to do whilst the panels are on the wall, just to make it a little bit easier for we.
Alright, so here goes. And there's another bit.
Are they just popping out, or?
I have no idea.
Oh, yeah, just pull.
Mine won't come out.
I got the top one out, but I couldn't. Ah!
Okay, come on. Right.
Excuse me. That one's kind of coming out.
Alright. So, that's those out. I'm going to get Laura to give this just a little quick sweep out, quick hoover out, wipe down with all the 17 years of dust, and then we'll come back to you once we've done that. Okay, so we're going to put the sound deadening panels on the upper wall, the lower wall, and then on the bottom we're then going to cover it with the foam insulation recycled plastic bottle. Then after that we're going to cover it with the foil backed bubble wrap and seal the edges with the foil tape. Okay, so we don't know if there's a right or wrong way of doing this, so we've just shoved it in the best we can. So now we're going to cut some of the foil bubble wrap and try and stick it over the top and seal it into place. Right, so that's the first bit of the bubble wrap on. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought, trying to get all the tape stuck on. I'm sure you would have seen it twisting up as I pulled the backing off and breaking. So I'm going to stick another bit on the bottom here now. I'll not bother recording that. We'll come back to you once we're done.
Right, so we're pretty much done for today now, because it's getting quite late. But we've managed to put all of the insulation underneath this part. We've put the sound deadening panels on, and we've also put the bubble foil wrap on. We've managed to do the wheel arch. We've put one panel of ply back on, and we just have this one, but we need to buy the rivets to rivet it back onto the metalwork. So like I say, I think we're pretty much done for today, so I think we'll say bye for now.
So we're going to pick it up again tomorrow, where we'll rivet the plywood onto the wall and then we'll do the other side.
All I want
Right, so we've finished insulating all the walls, the wheel arches, we've put the boards back on, we've riveted the boards back on, so all that's left to do now is the sliding door, the bottom panel and then the top panel, and also the 2 back doors, to insulate those and replace the plyboards on them. So tomorrow Robert's gonna start the floor. He's given it a quick mop today, so it's come up nice. The water was absolutely filthy, so it's a good job we did give it a clean. But for today we're done, so we're now just going to have a nice cold beer, and we'll see you next time. So thanks for watching Our Van, Our Way.
Cheers.